So today, on 26th December 2024, on the birth anniversary of Chinese leader Mao Zedong, China unveiled its first sixth generation aircraft, or we can say the first sixth generation aircraft in the world, which flown today. So, I welcome you to Mining, Geopolitics and Defense, and today we are seeing the world's first sixth generation aircraft. Myself, Aman Johari, and you can follow me on these websites. First, we see the video that gone viral today on 26 December 2024, and here you can see the tailless delta wing body and J-20 which is flying side by side to that aircraft. If you watch closely, it's a huge aircraft compared to J-20. The huge aircraft also has many advantages. And here you can see some images which are circulating all over the internet. And this image which shows complete aircraft profile from bottom, and in that you can see those F-22 like air intakes and a very big internal weapon bay. We already know there are two countries, that is USA and China, which are working on sixth generation program. USA has its NGAD, that is next generation air dominance fighter, and then Chinese sixth generation aircraft. But in the race of sixth generation aircraft, China won today. The US NGAD program may take its first flight in around 2030. So it's a big Chinese technological leap. When we compare Chinese 6th gen aircraft and the 5th gen aircraft, that is J-20, we see a big size difference. The size of that 6th gen aircraft give much added advantage like range, bigger radar, much greater weapons payload. J-20 can carry 6 air-to-air missiles, in which 4 is PL-15, which has around 200 kilometers range on the internal weapons bay, bottom side, and 2 short-range missile, usually R-73, on the side internal weapons bay. We can see other 5th gen aircraft which are operational today. So we can see here the operational 5th gen aircraft all around the world, that is J-20, F-22, F-35 and the Sukhoi 57. All has somewhat similar air-to-air missile capacity, that is 4 long-range BVR missile and the 2 short-range missile. Same in J-20, F-22 and Sukhoi 57. The F-35, which is somewhat smaller in size compared to other, can only carry 4 long-range BVR missiles. The 6th gen aircraft which Chinese flown today is huge compared to J-20. Also the missile of size like PL-15, which only 4 can carry by J-20. This 6th gen aircraft can approximately carry 3 times more missiles than the J-20 or any other 5th gen jet. Also, the maximum range advantage also be there. We can assume just by looking at the size of its weapons bay and the size of the aircraft, we can guess that it can go up to around 5000 kilometers range. Usually 5th gen aircraft can go around 3000 kilometers range, like J-20, Sukhoi 57, F-22. With the bigger size, we can assume they are going to be a bigger internal fuel capacity, so we can assume around 5000 kilometers range. This air exhibition image of Chinese 6th gen aircraft, which we can see 3 engines, 2 at the rear end as usual and 1 at the top. 2 may be same WS-15 engine which is used by J-20 and 1 is different. So that's what we learned today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Mining, Geopolitics and Defense.